1,000 different stories in a place like this. That's where I come in. Name, Spectra. I report the news. The truth is always out there. And I'm the slick sister that'll find it. I've been in this racket longer than I can remember, and I thought I'd seen it all until he walked into my life. I knew this flame fatale was trouble the minute I saw him. Hiya, handsome. Got a light?
Name's Burns. Burns. I need your help, Spectra. I'm in a pickle jar and I can't eat my way out, see?
What's the rumpus?
You heard about the missing statue?
Of course I heard.
I'm getting flim-flam here, doll. What do you say? Will you take the case, prove me innocent? Slugger's gonna throw me out of school if you don't.
Sure, kid. The evidence all pointed in one fire-hot direction. Information was tough to come by. It seemed there wasn't a monster at this school that hadn't been wronged by Heath Burns in some way or other. That's when it hit me. Go right to the top. I suppose you're wondering why you're all here.
Yes, Spectra. You're playing us for a bunch of rubes. We all know Heath took the statue. His burn marks are all over it.
Each and every person in this room had reason to claim the flame. Like you, Frankie. Isn't it true Heath burned your vitology homework last week? How'd you feel?
Mad. I swear, sometimes I could just...
I see. And you, Toralei, didn't Heath splash water on you right before the school pictures? Claude and Deuce, how many times has Heath embarrassed you at the mall? And didn't you guys tell him that he was going to be sorry?
But we didn't mean...
Every one of these students had cause for framing Heath. So who did it?
Hello? Statue cleaner. Oh, here it is. Blowtorches. Monday's fine. Everyone's free to go.
Isn't that the way it always goes? Seems like the whole world wants to see a bird. And the next you're free as a sparrow without a